Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. This one is something very, very special. So I'm actually waiting on two products to come. I'm waiting for one that's by, what is the hyper, I can't pronounce the name. It's the Hypernation 2, whatever the name is. It's a controller basically for the Nintendo Switch 2. And the other one is by Alino J20. Basically, it's a controller for the Nintendo Switch 2 and for the Nintendo Switch. So basically, what I'm gonna be talking about is this right here. So now I'm supposed to be receiving the package from Mamba pads, but I found this seller on Amazon. They sent this out for me to basically do a review for this also because I told them that I'm actually doing a review for Mamba on pads. So they want me to basically show this one. Now, I don't have my Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons. I'm waiting for those to actually come in the mail. So it's going to take a couple of days, but I'll be able to show everything. But I just want to show you guys just the adapters for this one. This one is just like the Mamba pad. So let's just get these out the packets. Okay. So as you can see right here. Now, this doesn't do anything. It's just an adapter just so you can use Joy-Cons, the original Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, or some of the Joy-Con wireless third-party not adapters, but joysticks that you can get, like the ones I'm waiting for to come in the mail right now. So as you can see right here, let's just get these off really quick. So basically what you do is you put this in right here. You just pull it right here. So as this one right here is the blue side, as you can see right here, blue and blue. Just pop it in like that. Orange and orange, as you can see. Pop it in like that. Then you basically put your Joy-Cons and slide it in like that, and you basically be able to play like this. It's not wobbly. That's not going to come off. So I do like the fact that now, like I said, there is no charger. This is just an adapter piece, just basically to put your Joy-Cons on here. So basically when you get your Switch, your regular Switch Joy-Cons pops in like this. So let's say if I have my original Nintendo Switch controllers or the ones I'm waiting to come in the mail, I'll be able to use it like this, the third-party ones. To be honest, I kind of like this a little bit better because this does have the shine through on here. So let's just do that really quick. I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but it's supposed to basically do that, so you can see that right there. So once you get your regular Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons inside of it and you turn it on, you'll be able to see the outline in it like that. If I can try to get that like pushed in a little bit just so you guys can see it. As you can see right there, it's moving. It basically mimics that. So I don't know. Let me see. No, you can't. So like I said, this is just basically the adapter piece. You just pop it inside like this. And it works like that. Now, there is one by Mamba Pad, which is the exact same thing like this one. The only difference between the Mamba Pad one is the way how this is. It's like reverse. And to be honest, I think I could just reverse it really quick. Yeah. So to be honest, I can still reverse it like that. As you can see, like that. Pushes it like that. I think I do like it reverse, because that one kind of like look better. I kind of like being able to pull it this way compared towards, I don't know. I just feel like that I might pull it like this by accident and actually pull it like that. As you can see, it pulls this way. Well, to be honest, they both the same way, so it doesn't really matter which way you basically put it. So you can put it, if you don't want to see these arrows right here, which just tells you that this is the minus part, and this one right here is the plus part right there. If you don't want to see that, you can just flip it to the back, whatever, like that, and just like that, and be able to plug it in. So I'm waiting, like I said, I'm waiting for it to come in. These do come with these right here so you don't accidentally drop it. So if you do playing, you do have this right here and be able. That's the one thing that I do like about this, because it does come with the wrist straps compared towards the other one. Like I said, it just doesn't do nothing. It's just an adapter piece. That's basically it like that. So I do have those other controllers coming in the mail. It should be here, I say, by Friday, which is a couple of days from now. So yeah, I'm actually just waiting for stuff to come in the mail. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. I just wanted you guys to basically see that. Stay tuned for that review for those Joy-Con joystick wireless controllers coming in the mail. And yeah, I will catch you guys later. So this is it right here. As you can see, I will put a picture in the, when I do the thumbnail for this, I will add a picture on it so you guys can actually see, because I don't have the actual controllers with me. So yeah, this is it right here. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.